wide range of various widths depending on the mission requirement. Very much on the rotor, slowly transitioning forward to wingborne flight. That all transitions between 40 and 80 knots, and around about 120 knots the cyclic rotor control is knocked out entirely. And you can see those huge hot rotors being tilted forward as the Osprey accelerates to go onto wingborne flight. It's a very distinctive noise, not quite the same as a Chinook, but it's got that same waka 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 sound. There's 4 other engines running on the ramp here, which also have a distinctive sound that you're going to hear later on, not that far away, as the Osprey goes downwind. Remember, on your way home tonight, ignore your GPSs in the car for the first few miles, because the roads are probably not set as they were when you came in. Only one-way systems around the place, so once you get out on the motorways, then believe your GPSs into the rotary mode, the helicopter mode. 3 more helicopters airborne for the pleasure flying. As the Osprey comes into land, go back to his roost, to his bark, moving out, look out towards Vulcan. The night he joined in the common box, Phil Mathis, who is so attached to this aircraft. You're getting too excited. I was. Well, thank you very much, Stratton. Yes, XH558, designed by the man who designed that Lancaster bomber, Roy Chadwick. We actually do have a piece of paper with his original sketch from 1946, only 5 years after the Lancaster flew, and he drew this bomber. And sad to say, he didn't live to see it fly. It flew in 1952, which means that this is another Diamond Jubilee. And not only is it Her Majesty's Diamond Jubilee, it's also the Diamond Jubilee of the great Farnborough Vulcan. And in fact, we've got permission from Buckingham Palace to suggest that every display that she does this year is celebrating Her Majesty's Diamond Jubilee. So we're very happy about that. Majesty's said to be quite keen on the Vulcan. She's not normally that keen on aeroplanes. She quite likes this one. She has a corgi called Vulcan. It's a doggy, actually, a Dachshund corgi cross. And quite a few of her relatives have flown in the Vulcan. Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh has, Prince Charles has, and also the Duke of Kent. So they've all flown in the Vulcan, so the royals are rather keen on her. We're all keen on her because she is possibly the most popular aeroplane in the country. But now I'm going to have to shut up because she's going to take off very soon. Isn't that magic? I think she is.
It's a brilliant airshow. I didn't get to where I got it done. Excellent airshow that was. It was brilliant. You want to try that to happen now. Take hand for bong and then bong our ages. Don't catch the bus from Tinch Dix. Basically, we click on the train. That's very true. Might be a big Ricky Johnson, don't you reckon, G? I really think so. A while ago. It's from 1934. Okie dokie. Very George little thing.